Now we're going to do Hasbar 7.5, a continuation again, Daf Ayin Gimel, Sanhedrin, Perik Shmini, Ben Sora, and Mora. The previous Hasbar, we saw that there was a hekesh of the pasuk of Naam Rusa being raped, and that of a Rodev, someone trying to murder someone. So the next pasuk in the Torah says, Ki basada matzah tzaka na'ara, and in the field she will be found, the girl, tzaka, she cried out, Hanara Hamarusa, the Nara Marusa, Ve'ein Moshiela, and there was no one there to save her. And the Gemara then says, we have an inference here, that if there was someone there to save her, then we have an obligation not to be a bystander, but to go and help and save her, and do whatever we can. So again, the second part of the next pasuk following the case of Nara Marusa and Rotseach, Ki basada matzeh, she was found in the field, Saka Na'ara Marasa, and she cried out, Vein Moshiela. And there was no one there to help her. So obviously her crying out is showing us that she was an unwilling victim, and that she cried out that no one was there to save her, that if there was someone there to save her, we have an obligation, according to the Torah, to do whatever we can to stop the perpetrator. It's off the top, and it says, V'nara Marusa Guf Minalan, and where do we know? What's the proof that we're allowed to do whatever we have to do to save a Nara Marusa? Ketanya Derbei Rabbi Shmuel. It was taught in the house of Rabbi Shmuel. Tana Derbei Rabbi Shmuel. The house of Rabbi Shmuel taught the following. The end of the pasuk says, Ein Moshiela, there was no one there to save her. Hayesh Moshiela, that we can infer that if there was someone who could save her, B'chol Davar Sheyachol Lahoshia. A person has to do B'chol Davar, anything Yochal, that they're able to do Lahoshia, to save her. So we see that means even if the guy doesn't listen to us, the perpetrator, we're allowed to even kill him in order to stop him from raping. So the Hekesh of Rotseach came to teach us that just like the woman is victimless, right? She's not considered that she has any sin on her, just like a person who's murdered doesn't have. And just like a Nara Marusa, we can do anything that we have to do to save her life. So too, Rotseach, we can do anything to save someone who might get murdered. And that's our Hekesh. All right, please do your Hasbar, and please make sure you do your summary. Thank you.